Okay. Okay. So can we try first? Can you write down the just number one? Don't need to do number two. Okay. We do number one first. 1A, 1B. Can you write down the numbers? And if you can, you send me by the chat. If you know how to use the chat. If not, you show me the answer. Okay. Naomi, your audio is just connecting. Can you hear me, Naomi? Cannot. Question 1 and 2, And you use the chat to. Okay, can you show me your answers, please? Raidi, you got the answer right? Okay, just hold on. Someone is, I think, coming in. Okay, Raidi, thank you very much. Okay, Raidi, well done for the first one. The second one, please. Those who have gotten answer, please send me your answer by. Yeah.
Lebih dapat.
Okay, Raidi. Okay, well done, Raidi. Congratulations. What about the rest? Can you just send me by the chat, please? Okay, no problem. Naomi, you're still. Can you hear me, Naomi? Can you hear me? Cannot, She cannot hear me.
Mr. Shaheed, can I take
Yeah, take.
headphone?
Take. Okay, so I'm going to give you the answer. You have not, please. This 400. How to do this first one, right? 467, 467. So you know the rest is 1,000 already, right? 467,000. So the last one is 309. So change this to 309. So down here, 467,309. Can? Don't need to copy the words. Shafi, are you copying the words? Don't need to copy the words. I just write down the answer only. I just want to see the answer. So down here now, you must remember, you write down 467, just like this, 467, and then 309. Just write 369. So this is 467,369. 309. Now the next one, million. So how to write? You have 2 million. This is 2 million. 1, 2, 3. You have 6 zeros. This is 2 million, 6 zeros. Okay. So this is 2,080,573. Okay, that's the answer for that. Okay, just let me check. Naomi, can you hear me? Naomi, can you hear me? Naomi cannot hear me. Okay, let me. Okay. Okay, yes, hold on. Naomi, can you hear me? Cannot hear me. Okay, let me send a message to. Okay, we will continue with the stuff. Yes, hold on. What does the digit 9, number 3, what does the digit 9 stand for? Not in the whole thing, just this down here. What is the value of it? What's the value of it? You write it down here in numbers, huh? Nah, you me. Hold on. Let me just. Okay. All right. How to do this question? Very, very simple. Okay, I write down the numbers first. 169342. Okay. All right. Then you have 9253 168 3946 315. They are asking you for all the number nines. They're asking you for all the number nines. So we circle the number 9. How to do this? What's the value? Very simple. You just, what do? You just put it up down here. 9. Just put the zeros down here. Just follow zero. It's 9,000. Okay. Down here, this is the 9, right? 9. What number is this, Righty? This is what? Righty. What number is this? What number?
9 million.
9 million. 9 million has 7 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is 9 million. All right. Remember, every 3, you got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So this is the thousands. After the thousands is the millions. After the millions is the billions. So this is now, let us see very clearly here. Okay. Let's say you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's say this is number 1, 2, 3. This is ones, tens, hundreds. The next 3, 1, 2, 3. This one is the thousand, because you know this is 100 ones, tens, hundreds, right? Beside there's a thousand. So down here is the thousand. Beside the thousand is the million, 3 of them. If you want to go some more, let's say now 4, 4, 5, 6. Let's say the next 3 is billion. Okay. The next 3 is trillion. Okay, so you have ones, tens, hundreds. The next one, these 3 digits here, they are in the thousands. How to read? 456,000. The next 3 here is million. 123 million. The next 3 is billion. You heard of billion? 654 billion. So let us look at how the arrangement is. Okay, you must know the arrangement. They are in groups of 3s. This first 3, you know, ones, tens, hundred. Down here is thousand. Down here is million. Down here is billion. The next one is trillion. But you're not even learning billion. You're just learning million. And million is like 1 million. Normally 1 million, 2 million. So it's not so difficult. Okay, it's not so difficult. We are going to test you later to read out numbers. You must know how to read. Let's say I give you a number like this. 259 3034. How to read this? Remember, divide by 3. 1, 2, 3. Group of 3. Group of 3. So 1 stands 100,000 million. 2,553,034. Okay, we're going to test you one by one. Ken, we have to test by one, but before that, we're going to go through these answers. So the next 9, we want to know the value of 9 on here. Just take out the 9 below. Just write the rest zeros, zeros, zero, zero. I mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 900,000. Okay, I need to test you one by one on your counting skills. Okay, here we go. We start with Raidi lah. Raidi is ready, I think. Let's see. Raidi, you try this one, Raidi. Yeah, hold on. Okay, Raidi, what's the number down here you see?
Wait, let me. 80,000,000
million.
781,092.
Yes. So let's see. We count 1, 2, 3. Put a comma. 1, 2, 3. Put a comma. So this one stands hundred. Thousands. Down here you read as thousands. And then down here you read as million. They will not ask you more than million. I'm just showing you billion, trillion. So 18 million, as Raidi say. You just read this number, 781,092. Okay, so we'll try now. We'll try now, Miss Shafia. What number is this? Shafia. This one. Come, you got unmute yourself. What number is this? Put the 1, 2, 3, put a comma, and you read this one. What number?
67.
No, what number is this? 671 is what? 600.
671,000
And
71.
yes. Okay, now we try the next person. Everyone must pass this, okay? You must be able to do this. Shaheed, Akil, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Okay, now this is yours now. Shaheed Akil. Akil, can you hear me? Cannot hear me. Naomi, can you hear me? What number is this? Can you read this number? Cannot hear you. You're on mute. You're on mute.
14 million.
14 million, good.
810,000.
Good.
123.
Well done, well done. Now we try the next one. Next one. Akil, are you there? Akil, can you hear me? Akil, Akil, can you hear me? Okay, now I'm going to ask you now. Here we go. Akil, what number is this? Akil. Cannot hear you. You count 1, 2, 3, comma. 1, 2, 3, comma. Down here's 1, 10, 100,000, million. Start from this. How many million? Akil. 7. Cannot hear you. 7 million. What number is this? 813,201. I cannot hear you. You're something wrong. Okay. Iman. Hold on. We got to get everyone a chance first. Iman, someone is not here. Someone just disappeared. Who is it? ID. Okay, Iman, ready? Okay, Iman.
7,114,261.
Well done. Okay, so I think you all are okay. You're all right. Okay, but we need to make sure that you have no more problems with this. Raidi, we will test you now. Okay, we'll see whether you can go to the billion. Anyone who wants to try for billion, you'll try. You ready for billion, Raidi? Are you? If you can get this correct, you might get $1 billion. I do not know. Maybe, yeah. Okay, Raidi, and go.
Wait, let me regroup first.
Now he's regrouping. He's putting it into threes. He's putting in 3, 3, 3, and go.
7,014,123,142.
Well done. Hopefully you might get all that money. Okay. All right.
I got
Shafia.
toilet.
Yeah, can go to toilet. See, after reading so much money, he feels very nervous, need to go to the toilet. Now let's try now. Miss Shafia. Shafia. What number is this? Shafia. Shafia, unmute yourself, Shafia. Shafia, you can do. Don't worry. Okay, start now. You see, 1,000,000,000. This one is
8,140,127.
good. Okay, well done. Now, who dropped off? Do you know? Ya Allah, I got to be like a Kiradi, Shafia, Iman. Is there 5 of you here? Oh yeah. Sorry, I'm so sorry. Okay, we try now. Iman. We try, huh? Let's go. We're gonna try and see whether. Okay, Iman.
16,270,154.
270 what?
270,154.
Well done. Okay, so I think you all have no problems, huh? You must be able to read such numbers because next time you want to buy houses, sell houses, you have lots of money, you need to know how to count them. Okay, we will, let us try this one. We are going to go through some multiplication in a moment, but can we try this? If you times, that means 64 times 10 gives you what? 64 times 100 gives you what? Okay, you just do for A only. I want only A only. No need to do the rest, huh? Only for A. Only for A. Naomi, can you hear me, Naomi? Hey, you, Naomi. Naomi is the one. Naomi, are you able to hear me? Yes?
Yes.
Yeah, okay, good. Okay. All right. So for A only. Yeah. Alrighty. Wow. Alrighty, we are doing 5A, 5A. Not 4A, 5A. Okay.
I accidentally did C.
No problem. You already passed me your answer. I will check through it in a moment. Huh? Okay. Answer for A. Naomi, what's the answer for A? 65A?
I'm not done yet.
No, just 5A. 64 times 10. What's the answer? Just add a 0 to the 64. Like this, very simple. Very simple. You must be able. Again, Naomi, we try 64 times 10. What's the answer? 64, add a 0. Okay, we ask the next one now. Mr. Shaheed, 64 times 100. What's your answer? Shaheed, you're on mute. We cannot hear you. Yes, now what's your answer? 64 times 100. Okay, never mind. We can't hear you. None of us can hear you. Okay, never mind. All right, good try. I do not want, but let's say you add 2 zeros here. Can you see? There's 2 zeros, add 2 zeros here. Now the next one, Husna Shafia. Husna. Sorry. Shafia, correct, right? Okay, 64 times 1,000. How much do you get? You're on mute? Come on. Fast. What's the answer? Just like 64. Add how many zeros are there?
3.
So just add 3 zeros here. Okay, so we need to revise this. Okay, Okay. So in that case, I'm going to show you on this side first before we go to the next one. You need to know this. You do not know this, that means you will not be able to multiply fast. Very simple. That means some of you do not know this rule. If let's say we have 31 times 100, what's the answer? There's 1020. We cover this one first. Cover the 20. 31 times 1. What's your answer? Anyone? 31 times 1. Just unmute. Just tell me.
31.
31. Then how many zeros do we add? Let's look. 1, 2. 1, 2. Easy or not? Okay, now we try now next one. 4 to 4. 4 to 4 times, let's say, 10,000. Naomi, come. Naomi, 4 to 4 times 1, Naomi, what is it? Naomi, 4 to 4 times 1.
124.
Oh, then how many zeros do we add? We count now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Easy not? Easy not? Easy, yeah? Okay, we try the next one now. Let's say now 321, but there's a 0 down here, times by 100. We ask Raidi, how to do this one, Raidi? Can do now? Can you answer?
You take the 1.
Uh-huh.
You take 32.
Yes,
Wait,
3, 2.
you take 3210 times 1.
Okay, so you get 3210 and then?
And then add the 2 zeros.
2 zeros. Can he says like that also can. Yeah. Or if you want, you cover this one, you cover this one. 3 to 1 times 1, right? 3 to 1. Count the number of zeros. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Also can. So you try to do this one now. Try to do this number. How to do? You cover the zeros first. You cover the zeros first. Okay. There are many zeros you can cover. I'm covering for you. You cover the zero. Cover the 0 times first. 23 times 2. Do mentally. 2 times 2 is how much? Write down the answer here. 3 times 2 is how much? Write the answer here. And then add the zeros. You try first. You try first. Do this one first. Then you check your answer. Akil, checking for Akil. Can you hear me? You can hear me. Can you say something? Are we able to hear you this time? Can you say something? We still cannot hear you. Your mouth is moving, but you are not talking. Maybe he's doing this. Are you doing this? No, right? You're talking. Okay, let's see. Thanks, thank you. Okay. Anyone will ask Iman. What's the answer for this? Iman. Have you done? Yeah. Just say it, Iman. Come on, Iman. Iman, block this one like this, Iman. What's the answer? 23 times 2, what is it? Iman.
4,000.
Just tell me the number. Tell me the number first. Then I write down first.
4, 6.
How many zeros?
4 zeros.
4 zeros. So now let us see. There's 4. So what's the number? Become 1, 2, 3, comma. So how to read this, Iman?
460.
1,000.
4,660.
460,000. That's it.
460,000.
That's it. Okay.
That's it.
That's it. That's it. Hey, hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct, right? Yeah. That's it. 460,000. Now, where you times, you add the zeros. When it's divide, you cancel the zeros. Watch out, watch out, watch out. Everyone watch this. Akil, watch. Akil. Share Akil. Share Akil. Share Akil. Divide, you cancel 0. 1, 0, 2, 0. Cancel, cancel. Cancel 2, cancel 2. Then you cover the 0. 42 divided by 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Add a 0. 210. Can do that? Try, yeah? We try, we try, we try. We try, okay? What is your answer? If you know an answer, just say it out. Raidi, what's your answer?
248.
248. Like this, this is 248. Shakil?
480.
Okay, let's see whether it's correct. Naomi, what's your answer, Naomi? Naomi, what's the answer?
240.
420.
240.
240. What was Shafia? Iman. Sheikh Akil, I cannot hear you. Maybe you can type your answer. Akil, you type your answer in the chat, then I can read. Iman, Shafia, what's your answer? Yeah, Iman, right? Iman, what's your answer? Ken? Shafia, what's your answer? Iman, Shafia?
2,400.
2,400. Okay. What about Shafia? I can't see your answer, Mr. Sheikh Akil. Shafia. Okay, I'll show you. It's okay, no problem. Watch. Everyone watch. Because all are having different answers. One, I think, might be correct. Now, you want to divide by 20. There's 1 0, cancel the 0, cancel the 0. You only cancel 0 for divide. Times, you add the zeros. For divide, you cancel the 0. Then, you cover the 0 here. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4. But how many zeros do we have underneath? 1, 2. 1, 2. So 2,400 is correct. Can try again. We try again. Shafia, do you get it, Shafia? Okay, no? Don't be scared, okay? This is where you learn, huh? With me, you're supposed to learn. You're not going to be scared, okay? And no one's going to make fun of anyone. So we all learn together. We try now. Be careful, because we may have something like that. You cannot use calculator for this one, please. Let us try the first one. Shafia can try this one, Shafia, to cover like that. Shafia, what to do? 1 times 3. What is 1 times 3, Shafia? Can you see that? 3. Then 3 times 3.
12.
3 times 3?
12.
Not 12. We look down here first. 9. So 9. So 1 times 3, you get 3. Then 3 times 3, you get 9. And then you count number zeros. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. What number is this, Shafia? Read this one. What is this?
39,000.
39 what? 1,000. That's it. 39,000. Halas. Okay, we do the next one now. Okay, I hope you are getting it. All right. Anyone? Yeah. Yes, Mr. Raidi. What's your answer?
4,
4.
8,
8.
2.
2.
0.
Your voice disappeared. 4820. That's all.
No, if
How many
2 more
zeros?
zeros. 2 more zeros.
What number is this?
482,000.
Okay, let us see. So let us see. So you cover the zeros here, the 3 zeros. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 1 times 2, 2. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. It's correct. This is now 1,482,000. Okay. All right. That's just a warm up. Okay. Just a warm up. All right. We'll do one last one. Every lesson we'll do a little bit of this and that so that you are able to master this. Now let us try. No using calculator, please. This one. Can do it. Shafia, look here. Don't look at your brother, sister. Don't look at them. Come back. Shafia, come back. Shafia, don't look there. Come here. Come. Look here. Do this one. Yes. Wait, Raidi. We try. We ask the rest. Let's see. Raidi, you send me your answer. Iman, you got the answer?
Why are we rushing?
We are not rushing because sometimes we don't go. See, some are going fast, some are doing slow. So when I is to get everyone to be on the alert because some you cannot see the rest. Some of them, right? So I need to get them. Naomi, you got the answer? What is your answer? What's your answer?
9,800.
9,000 and
800.
800. Okay, let's see. Anyone else? Raidi, what's the answer?
12, 1, 2.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Wait, no, 1, 2. Wait. 0, 0, 0.
0, 0,
1, 2,
0.
3. Wait.
Okay.
One.
Oh, 1.
With 1, 0. 1, 2, 0.
1, 2, 0. What about Iman, Sheikh Akil? Iman, you got the answer, no? Shafia?
Not done yet.
Not done. Okay, try. Akil, but I cannot hear you. Even if you say you can. Shafia, what's your, yes, 120. 2% say 120. Let's see. Anyone else?
9,180.
9,180. Okay, let us see. Yeah, Shakil, what's your answer? Shakil cannot hear me as well. Shakil, can you hear me? Can you nod your head if you hear me? Shakil, cannot hear me, huh? Okay. Cancel 1, cancel 2, cancel 3. Cancel 1, cancel 2, cancel 3. Only left with 1, 0. 3 divided by 3 get 1. 6 divided by 3 get 2. Add a 0. 120. All right. We move on to the next one, okay? You are more or less getting the hang of it. Okay. We'll try again. Shakil, I think you need to log in again, you know. Shakil. Maybe you want to try to log in again, Shakil. Now it's something like this. This is something that we just done. Is connected with something like this. Wait. Sure. Hold on. Shakil, teacher, I don't understand. Okay. The problem is you cannot hear me. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me? You can hear me, but I cannot hear you. So maybe can you log in again? Can you log inside again the computer? Cannot. Can try to come in again.
So annoying.
Okay, you try to log in again. Okay, now we try this question.
Okay, what else? The multiplication.
You must remember this. You're going to cancel how many zeros? How many zeros you're going to cancel? Get 852. How many, Iman? How many zeros you're going to cancel? 2. 2, right? So if you're going to cancel 2, what number must be here? Divide by. You try. You write down your answer for A, B, C, D, E first and F. You write down all the answers on your exercise book. A, B, C, D, E, F. You write down first, then we go through. Sheikh Akil, can you hear me now? You can hear me? Can you say something, Sheikh Akil? Cannot hear you still. Something is wrong with your system. Never mind. We, in this case, you got to just, yeah. Now I can hear something, but it's not so clear. It's squeaky. Sheikh Akil, say something. Say hello.
Hi.
I can hear now better. Okay. Inshallah, should be okay. All right.
Review it.
Yeah, I can hear now. Now we can hear. Okay, please try A, B, C, D, E, F. A, B, C, D, E, F. Yeah. You try first. You're going to go through. Okay, later I'm gonna go through the working with you. Okay, for now, wow, okay, ready. Alrighty, champion already. Number C, I think is wrong already. You check your answer for C, yeah? Okay, if you finish, you can send me your answers. I can look through your answers. Then I will tell you what the answers are. Okay, again. If you are ready, send me your answers. This one is a little bit different from the one we just did, but it's connected. It's connected exactly. Let us see. I got an answer from. Yeah, I understand. Yes, yes. My voice is lagging. Is it lagging? Yes, sir. Okay, then I will have to use my own Wi-Fi. Okay.
Mr. Shaheed.
All done. If you are done, can you show me your answer or you type it in? Or if you're not going to type it in, then we have to go through the answer in about 1 minute time. 1 minute time. I'm not rushing you. I'm just getting you to do it fast. Why? Because these are things. Ooh. Okay, here we go. Okay, this is the same screen. Same screen, eh? Okay, this is the same screen, okay? Let us go through now. I know some of you are trying. Okay. 85,200 divided by what? Gives 852. This one is the same, except for the zero. I need to cancel 2 zeros. 2 zeros. I need to cancel 2 zeros. I just write the 2 zeros here. I cancel it, cancel it, cancel it, cancel it. I get 852. The answer is 100. Can you see it? Can you see what have happened? Okay, this is the original number. I need to cancel 2 zeros. So I write 2 zeros here because I need to cancel, and I put the number 1. Okay, cancel 1 0, cancel 2 zeros. Cancel 1 0, cancel 2 0. 852 divided by 1, 852. So the answer is 100. Now the next one. This is 27,000. There's 3 zeros. I need to times the number with 3 zeros. Well, maybe we'll just try 1,000. Okay, 27 times 1, 27. Add 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. Oh, can see it. Okay, the next one. ID, what do you think the answer is for next one? I need to times by what? To get 1 0 here. I need to times by what?
This I am actually stuck on this question.
You just need to put 10 here. I need to times by something with 10. What number? 10. I cover, you see, 435 times 1, 435 at 10. So if you think about it, let us look at all the times question. 3 zeros, you write 3 zeros here. 10, you write 10 here. You got to cancel 2 zeros, you put 2 zeros here. Now, how many zeros do you need to cancel to make it 30? You need to cancel 30 here, right? This is 30, right? I need to cancel how many zeros?
3.
3. So I write 1, 2, 3 and put a 1. That's right. Cancel 1, cancel 2, cancel 3. Cancel 1, cancel 2, cancel 3. 30 divided by 1, 30. Can you see the pattern or not? Max, there's a lot of pattern here. There's a lot of pattern. I just write it again, okay? So that you can see it. Okay, so this is divide, right? So you want to cancel 3 zeros, write 3 zeros here. Now, what about this one here? There's 2 zeros here, there's 2 zeros here, good. So what times, so I'm going to cover this one now. What times 1 give you 506? Because there's 2 zeros here. What times 1 give you 506? What's the answer? 506. Just write 506. 506. Never mind, okay, if you're still a little bit confused, it's okay. We'll go through again another time, but I want you to, can you see now? 506 times 1, get 506, add 2 zeros, add 2 zeros. The last one now. This one, after cancelling 2 zeros, there's 1 0. You see, after cancelling 2 zeros, there's 1 0. How? Look at this. After cancelling 3 zeros, there's 1 0. How many zeros should there be? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then you write this number 1 to 8. 1 to 8. Let's try and see whether it works or not. 1 0, 2 zeros. 1 0, 2 zeros. 1 2 8 0, 1 2 8. Okay. So what we do? Okay, never mind. If it's a little bit tough this first time, it's okay. We are going to do this more. Not now. Every lesson we're going to do a little bit, a little bit, a little bit. Then you are able to master it. First time you don't get it, it's okay. Second time you might get it. So don't give up, okay? Don't give up. Down here is similar, but we won't go through this. We're going to try this one now. Now, first of all, before we start, there are 3 golden rules you must take down. Okay, these 3 golden rules, some call it bottomers, but when they say bottomers, they get confused. So I'm going to give you my own name, okay, for this. I call it 3 golden rules. 3 golden rules, okay. Number 1, you know this one. Do brackets first. Can you write it down? Do the brackets first. Do brackets first. Do brackets first. First of all, you do the brackets. Second one. Second, do times or divide. Then third one is not plus and minus. Left to right. So now, if you have 2 brackets, which bracket do you do? You go down and do the left to right one first. Do the left one first. If you have times and divide, which one you do? Some people say bottomers. So you all learn bottomers, right? Have you all learned bottomers yet, Raidi? Have you learned bottomers? Not yet, huh? Okay. So later on, your teacher will be teaching bottomers. You'll be teaching. Some of you will think do division first. No, no, no. If there's times or divide or times, you must do the left one first. So we're going to test Raidi now. We're going to test him, huh? Ready? Yeah? Let's see. The rest don't do. The rest just observe first. See whether it's correct. Raidi, what's the answer for this?
18.
18. Okay. Let us see whether did he follow the rules here. The rules say do the bracket first. Any brackets down here? Any brackets? No brackets. But as times or divide, you must do this one first. You don't do the plus first. Do this one first. So 2 times 6, how much is it, Raidi?
2 times 6 is 12.
12. Now then you do from the left to the right. 1 plus 12, 13. Do you get it? Sorry, do you get it? Again, repeat. There's times and there's plus. Which one you do first? You must follow the rules. They say do the bracket first. But there's no brackets. So how? Do times or divide. Oh, yeah, there's times. So what do? I do the times first. And then I do left to right. So you must do until there's no more brackets. You must do until there's no more times or divide. And then you do left to right. Okay, we try now the next one. The next one, we try. Ayuh, this one is slow. $20, yeah. Okay, please try. Can you see? If you do it wrong, you will get the wrong 20 minus 5 times 3. This time you're going to ask Miss Shafia. Shafia, every time I call your name, my mata tablia. Shafia, you can do it. Shafia, smile, smile, smile. Oh, very serious, this girl. That time I met you at the, okay, Raidi, wait. Raidi, you send me your answer by the chat. And we ask Shahakil, what's your answer, Shahakil? What's your answer? 5. Oh, wait. Wait, okay. Naomi, what's your answer? Naomi?
Done yet.
Okay, not yet. Iman, what's your answer? Iman, you're sitting like a model, Iman. I want to be a model. Okay, we'll come to that later. Raidi, what's your answer? Raidi. Can I hear you? 5? 5.
You take.
Okay, no problem. Oh, Shakal, you say your answer is 5, is it? Okay, I thought you say wait for a while. Now we ask Shafia. Shafia, what is the answer?
Wait.
Ayo, everyone was telling me to wait. Okay, what about Iman? What's your answer? 5. Naomi, what's your answer?
5.
5. Okay, Shafia, come. We ask Shafia. Any brackets around? Any brackets? No brackets. So you know brackets are like that. No brackets. So you must do times or divide this times here. You must do this one first. 5 times 3, 15. Then you minus 20 minus 15 is 5. Okay? Are you okay? Shafia? Are you okay, Shafia? Why you look so serious? The other time when I met you, you were smiling and all. Now I get very frightened already. Aduh. Okay, here we go. Don't be shy, don't be scared. Okay, we try now. You try question 1, A, B, C, D. You do on your own in the exercise book, please. In the exercise book. Just write down which you write the question and do. Write the question and do. Ya Allah. Shafia, believe you can do it, Shafia. You can do it. Yes, Heidi, you're talking to me. No, you don't want to talk to me anymore. Okay. I don't know what I've done to him.
I am trying.
Trying. Okay, good, 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 good. Ah. Iman, is it easy, Iman? Too easy, ah? Chicken, chicken, eh? Okay, in 1 minute's time, we are going to go through. Remember the 3 rules. Bracket first. Now you can see a bracket here. Shafia, can you see? In D, there's a bracket. D, there's a bracket, right? You must do the bracket first. Okay. D, there's the bracket. Yes. Shakil, you got all the answers, right? Not yet. Okay, we are gonna give you another 2 minutes more to complete them. You have to believe you can do them. You are able to do them. Raidi, is it difficult, Raidi? No. This is the first time you're doing it like that. Means later on in class, you will know this better than your friends.
But my friend learns way quicker than me.
Is it? Never mind, you are quite fast. Inshallah. Inshallah, you don't worry, don't worry. Let us see. Compare the end of the race, not at the beginning. We are still at the beginning of the race. Okay, somebody has sent me the so many answers. Allahu Akbar. Wow. Oh, Shaki, you gave me the answer just now. Okay. Okay, something. D, you must do for D, Akil, you must do the bracket first. Bracket first. Do the bracket first. Then you find the answer, then divide by 5. Rightly, I don't think there is a remainder in C. Now, Rightly, you have now divide and times. Which one do you do first in C? Look at what the golden rule say. Golden rule say bracket first. Then you do times or divide or times. If there's 2 of them, you do the left side first. Okay? Do the left one first. That means you do the which one first?
Can I correct my mistake?
Yeah, correct. No problem. Correct all you want. Okay, we are gonna go through and not yet. Now you mean you gotten your answers ready? Wow, Shafia, you seem to be eating something so delicious the way you're chewing. I should put you in an advertisement. Okay, we are gonna go through now lah. Let us see, okay? Because we are never mind. We try, okay? Let us see. There's no right, wrong, and no, sorry, not right, wrong. Right, wrong, there is for math. So 30 plus divide by 5. There are the rules here. Bracket first. Any brackets? No brackets. Times or divide or times. Is there? Oh, there's divide. You must do this. You can underline this first. I must do this. So you're equal like that. Copy this. Copy. Don't be lazy. Just copy. Copy. Now 30 divided by 5. 6. Now do from left to right. There's only one. So 30 plus 6. 36. This is your answer. Can you mark? Okay. You mark. Okay. Now we try the next one. Next one is B. Now B down here, there's the rule says what? What does the rule say? Brackets first. No brackets. There's no brackets in this B. But they say times or divide times. But now we got both. We got both. We got times here and divide here. Which one do we do? Go to rule number 3. Left to right. Left to right. So we do the left one first. We do this one first. 42 times 10. Oh, just add a 0, 420. Minus 20 divide by 4. Now there's minus and divide. We start again down here. Brackets first. No more brackets. There's divide. You must do this divide now. You must do this divide. So 20. Okay, so we copy this 420 minus 20 divided by 4. 5. And then we minus 420 minus 5. Yeah.
Teacher, where do you get a 420?
Oh my goodness. For there down here. 42 times 10. 42
so
times
need to
10.
add the 0 lah.
Yes, because remember just now we learned, let's say now 21 times 10. Remember we learned this? We cover the 0. 21 times 1, 21. We add the 0. Remember or not? Do you remember? So now this is the same thing now. What we learned is now 42 times 1, 42, then add the 0. Because sometimes they don't allow you to use calculator, so you must learn this. Then the next thing, 20 divided by 4, get 5. So now then we minus 420 minus 5, 415. Okay. Don't worry, we'll have lots of practice of this. Who is that girl behind disturbing poor Heidi? Hey. Okay, here we go. Now the next one now. We look at the golden rules. Always we look at the 3 rules. These 3 rules is going to apply until secondary school. Heidi, even your kaka is using this. Even your abang is using this. You'll do brackets first. Any brackets? No brackets? Times or divide or times. Don't think times must be first before they divide or divide. It's the left one first. Always the left one. Okay. In school, your teachers will tell you about BODMAS. Be careful, Be careful. Because it says this is brackets of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So many students think must divide first. No, not divide first. You do the left one first. Iman, you heard of BODMAS before? BODMAS? BODMAS. So people think BODMAS, brackets of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Many students think it's divide first. It's not divide first. It's the left one first. If the left one is times, you do times. If the left one is divide, you do divide. Okay. So down here now we come back to this one. Now Down here, there's divide and times. Which one do I do first? Which one? Naomi, which one do I do first? Can I do the times first? Can? Naomi,
Yes.
this must yes. Akil say yes. Do the times first, agree? Naomi, yes.
Yes.
Are you sure? This Akil has just wanted to trick someone. They say he's laughing. Look at this. Brackets first and do times or divide at times. If there's divide and times and divide like this, do the left one first. Which one is left? This one is left. Lah. This is left, this is right. Do the left one first. Do this one first. So how to do this? Copy this first. Copy down. 10 plus 72 divided 8. You get 9 times 10. Must do the left one first. Huh? If you do the right one, you will get funny numbers. Righty, you did the right one first, right? That's why you have funny numbers. If there's divide and times, do the left one first. If there's plus and minus, do the left one first. If there are 2 brackets, 3 brackets, 4 brackets, do the leftmost first. Okay, very simple. So now, what do? We plus first? No, this thing must do times or divide first. So there's times. So we times first. 10 plus 90 equals, because 10 times 9 times 10, 90, 100. Okay. Okay. Naomi, you get it, Naomi? Okay, now the next one. The next one got bracket. This is called bracket. Bracket, what do they say? Bracket say brackets first. Bracket comes first. You better do the bracket first. Inside the bracket, 60 minus 15, 45. Divide by 5. Divide lah, you get 9. That's it. How is it? Is it okay? Okay, never mind, okay?
Sure.
Yes.
I don't
Yes.
understand the A.
A, this one. A,
Where do you get a 6?
where I get 6? Okay, now we try now. Now we ask Shaheed. Which one you do first, plus or divide?
Divide.
Right, what is 30 divided by 5?
Yeah.
What is it?
Oh.
6 lah down here. This is where you get the 6. Then we copy the rest. 30 plus 6, 36. Okay, good. You see, Shaheed, he doesn't understand. He asks. You must do the same thing. You know, you don't be afraid of asking. Just sitting there. Don't be afraid of asking. Naomi, will you ask, Naomi? You don't know, you must ask, huh? Naomi, you don't know, you must ask, okay? Shafia, will you ask? You sure? Raidi, will you ask?
Of course.
Yeah, wow, see. Of course I will ask. Don't think I will not ask. I will surely ask. My mother paid for tuition. Okay, here we go. All right, here we go. So you have done this, Alhamdulillah. Let us do now the next one. Be careful, huh? Hold on. Let me show you something. In this bracket now, there's times and plus. In the bracket, which one you do first? You do times first or you do plus? Righty, which one? In the bracket.
Times.
You must do times first, and then you do the plus. Okay, and then after you finish the bracket, then you do the rest. Okay, you try now. These 2 questions now. Very interesting questions. Naomi, okay, Naomi? Okay, Iman, come back. Don't run away. Don't leave us. We miss you, Iman. Where are you going, Iman? You do not know how many students are crying.
Tissue.
Oh, tissue. Okay. Sorry.
Teacher, should we do the times or the plus?
Which one? Number what? Down here.
Number the F.
Okay, now in the bracket, so we go to the rule. What does the rule say? The rule say you do bracket first. Now in the bracket, there's times and plus. You must do the times or divide first. Plus is last. Plus and minus is last.
Times.
Yeah, so you must do this.
Is it a times?
Yes, must do times first.
Oh, okay.
Must do times first, huh? So Shaheed, can you imagine if you cannot talk, then how you gonna ask questions? That's why you must check your what Wi-Fi and setup and all, huh? Alrighty, I've completed. Dangerous boy. See a dangerous boy. Ah. Okay. Let's see. Alrighty. After bracket, let us look again now here. After bracket, what do you do? Do this one first, times or divide. Do the times or divide first. Then after that, you do plus minus lah. And even plus
Is
minus,
it the divide?
yes, you must do the
But the
divide.
divide is on the right.
Never mind, because left to right is last. You don't do the left first or right first. You must do times or divide first. That's
Okay.
the okay. Yeah. Now here's the question here. If you it's the same question. Friday, you got an answer. You said your answer is 8, is it? 8. Let us see whether you're correct. Ready? What about the next question? This one. Have you done this one? Iman, what about you, Iman? What's your answer, Iman? Have you?
I'm nearly finished.
You already finished. Who's that? What's your answer for the last one?
I'm nearly finished.
Oh, nearly finished. Let's see. Once you have completed. Naomi, can you do? Naomi, are you okay? Can do, try. Iman, how Iman? Poor Iman, she's tired, penat, very tiring. Naomi, what's your answer? Any of this? Have you gotten the first one?
No, not really. I
Not
haven't get
really.
the first.
Okay, now which one do
answer.
you do? Which one you do first? Out of all, you do the what first?
Huh?
Which one do you do first? Is it times, minus, divide? Which one?
Times.
You must do the brackets first.
Oh yeah.
Brackets will always be first. This is in the brackets, so you got to
Yeah.
do this first.
I did the bracket first, then after that I times.
Times, correct? And then after that you divide. Correct. So you will get the answer. Shakil, what's the answer for question number E?
254.
254. Righty, is it? You said 254?
Me.
Oh, Iman. Okay. All right. We will come to it. Okay, let us go through now. We go through question E first. Okay, we ask Shakil, which one do we do first? Do it times first, minus first, or divide first?
I don't do the E, I do the F.
Okay, now we do together E lah. Let's do together E.
Okay, 25 minus 15.
What do you get?
25 minus 15.
Do pakai calculator, do calculator, hello? No calculator. 10,
10.
10. Now down here. Now which one you do first?
80 times 10.
You do times. Because you have times and divide, do the left one first. So 80 times 10 is 800. Just add a 0. Then divide by 100. Now the last one, now divide by 100. Cancel the 1, 0, 2 zeros. 1, 0, 2 zeros. 8 divide by 1. 8.
Divided by 100.
100. So you get 8. Okay.
8.
That's why whatever we did earlier, cancel and all that, you need to know it. Otherwise, some of you say, oh, so not fair. I do not know how to divide by 100. I do not. You can just need to cancel the zeros. Okay, the next one. The next one, you look through it first. Look through it carefully.
Got a question.
Yes, what is your question?
If the middle one, do we minus the 270 or just divide it with the 10 first?
Just divide it with the 10 first. Yeah. Okay. Now, after you finish this, you have minus and divide. So you go to the rule again. You brackets? No more brackets. You must do the divide first because that's the second step. All others is the left to right is the last one. Plus and minus is all the last one. So down here, this is minus, this is divide. You must do the divide first. Okay, we try again. We try again. Shafia, are you okay? You understand not? Don't understand. Okay, Shafia, come we do together, Shafia. Now, which one do we do first? Do we do the minus, times, plus, divide? Which one do we do? We must do which one first? Rule number 1 says do the bracket. So this is bracket. But in the bracket as times and plus, which one must we do? Shafia?
Plus.
No, down here they say do the second thing after bracket. You must do the times first or divide. So we must do the times first. We must do this one first. So what do? We write equals 270. We copy exactly. We put the bracket like that. We copy everything like that. We do the times 30 times 3. If you don't know, take 3 times 3, get 9. Add the 0. Plus 70. Now, Shafia, what do we do now? Do we do the minus, the bracket, or the divide? Which one? The rule says do the what first? Do the look here, Shafia. Do the what first?
Bracket.
Bracket. You must do the bracket until you finish the bracket. Now you have not finished the bracket yet. So 270 minus 90 plus 70. 160 divided by 10. So now what do we do now? We got minus and divide. Which one we do to Shafia? Minus or divide? Shafia, don't run away. Minus or divide? Huh? Divide, yes. So divide, how to divide? Cancel 1 0.
Cancel 0 and the 16.
270 minus 16. So you minus, what's your answer? 254. Are you okay? Righty, your eyes become big. Your calculation is okay.
I was kidding about saying when you said 2 5, then I was about to say I was just kidding about saying 4, but then the answer was really 4.
Oh yeah. Okay. So okay, you more or less so you are getting used to it. Okay. If you make careless mistakes, it's okay. We will try again. Don't worry, we'll try again. Every week we will keep on trying until you are okay. So I do not want you to feel stressed. Okay, just take it easy. Take it easy, yeah. This one, last time. I will give you my own question. Okay, I'll give you my own question. I give you this one, this type of question, so that I want all of you to be very, very clear. Okay, because we only have another 15 minutes more. Might as well you master this. Okay, so here we go. Ya Allah. Can you do the first one first? Naomi can do, can see? Yes, Iman can do, Iman. You got the answer? What's your answer, Iman?
Still doing.
Still doing, okay. You can do it, Iman. Mr. Sheikh Akil, which one are you going to do first? The plus, the times, or the brackets?
The brackets.
Brackets. Good, good. After that, are you going to do the plus, the times, or the minus?
Times.
Good. Yes, yes, Riley. What's your answer?
I found the answer.
What's your answer?
My answer is 57.
57. Hmm. It's incomplete, Mr. Riley. Can you please check your answer? Try again. Better luck next time. You are close to getting the answer. You forgot to do one step. Naomi, what's your answer, Naomi?
I'm still doing
You're doing okay. Which one are you going to do first, Naomi? Are you going to do the plus, times, or in the bracket
bracket.
first? Then
Bracket.
after that, are you going to do plus, times, or minus?
Times.
Times. Okay, good. Then after that, left to right, huh? Okay.
51.
Ready? Ready?
I know. I forgot to minus.
Yeah. Be careful, huh? Sometimes you already know the method, but it's overconfidence. I had one student, so overconfident and did worse for PSLE. Don't be overconfident, huh? Underconfident is also no good. You must have balance, must be balanced. Okay, those who have finished this, you can do the next question. Okay. One minute more to question number one. Shakil, what's the answer for question number one? You got the answer, really, I can see. Oh, sorry.
99.
99. They say there are 99 names of Allah. Yeah, there are. Naomi, what's the answer for question number one?
9.
Huh? 99 so. 99.
9.
9. Iman, what's the answer for question number one?
Still doing.
Shafia, what's the answer for question number one?
51.
51. 51. All right. So we'll go through in about 30 seconds time. Okay, you must check your own answer. Be very careful. Okay. Okay, we are going to go through question number one. We ask Iman. Iman, which one do we do first? Do we do the plus, times, or the brackets? Which one?
My answer is 51.
51. Okay, 3 persons got 51 and the answer 51 is correct.
I
And
gave you the answer earlier.
Oh, then that's not ask you. You say you have not done. Oh, question 2, is it? So sorry.
Yeah.
Sorry. Okay, so now
Question
we
2
do.
is 5.
Oh, okay. Question 5. So we do the brackets first. 16 minus 10. This is 6. And we copy all the rest. 12 plus 3 times 15 minus 6. Then which one do we do, Sheikh? Do we do the times? Do we do the times plus or minus? Which one, Sheikh? Sheikh, you must do the times. You told me times. 3 times 15 is 45. Then we copy all the rest. 12 plus 45 minus 6. So we add this up. 12 plus 45 is 57 minus 6. 57 minus 6 is 51. Ken Shakir, you know where's your mistake? Do you know where's your mistake? Now you mean, do you know where's your mistake? Yes? You must know where your mistake is.
I
If not,
still don't understand.
okay, show me your working. Show me your working. Show me your working. Hold on, hold on. Let me take a photo first. Hold on. Okay. Show me. Don't move. Once you show in front of the camera, don't move, okay? Show me your working.
I tahu.
Come, show me your working. Hold on. Okay, wait. Wait, don't move, don't move it, don't move it, don't move it, don't move it, don't move it. Don't move it yet, don't move it, don't move, don't move, don't move, don't move. Ah, don't move. One more time. One more, don't move. Keep still. I am taking a photo, don't move. Okay, okay, thank you, thank you. Thank you very much.
I don't understand also.
Don't understand also. Okay, let's check. Can I see your answer also? Can you show me your answer also? Okay, all those you don't the thing, you must show me your answer. Don't move, don't move. You must show me and don't move. Okay, wait. Don't move us. Okay, let us check. Let us spot the mistake, okay? You can help me spot the mistake. Let's go through Share Akil's one first. Okay. Share Akil. This is Share Akil. Okay, so Share Akil did this one. 16 minus 10, get 6, correct. Then what after that? What did he do? Then he gets 6 minus 15. Where you get 6 times 15 from? Shakir, where you get 6 times 15? You see, you didn't follow the method I show you. What is the method I show you? Let us look. The method I show you means you must copy everything again. You must copy. Because I don't want to copy malas lah. Malas, then you get wrong. Okay. You see, you must copy everything again. Okay. Now you do 16 minus 10. You correct, right? You got it correct. Now you must write 6. You must copy everything again. And say, I don't want to copy anymore. I'm just tired lah. So sorry, you have to do it. Now you tell me which one you do, plus, times, or minus. Which one? Shakil. Times. But you put 6 times 15. You're going to take 6 times 15. This is minus lah. This is times 3 times 15. No wonder you get it wrong. You're going times the wrong number. And so how can you not get the wrong number? You must copy everything down, then you can see. Otherwise you forget. You know what I mean? You forget. You say 15 times 6 now. You forgot the times is to the left, not backwards. Let us look now at Nayumi. Nayumi, are you there? Nayumi, where are you? Okay, let us see. Nayumi's one. I am sorry. Okay, this is a good way. Okay, when you get it wrong, tell me. Then I will check. Okay, and that's what I do for almost all my students. You know. Here we go. Okay, this is Nayumi's one. This one. Okay, let us see. Can anyone spot the mistake? First, 16 minus 10. Same thing. Nayumi, you didn't copy everything. You are doing the same. You're just taking one part. Okay, 16 minus 10. The answer is 6. 10 times 3. Let us look. You're going times 3. But what is supposed to times 3? Why are you going times 3? If you copy Nayumi, you copy exactly. You know that the 3 is supposed to times the 15, not to times the 6. So both you and Sheikh Haikal didn't follow the steps. You go and take out one part and then you forget. So you must copy step by step. So how to do step by step? Okay, you see here. First, you say this one must do first. 16 minus 10, you 6. Now copy everything again. 12 plus 3 times 15 minus 6. Now, Naomi, which one must you do first? Next, plus, times, or minus? Naomi, which one? Naomi, which one must you do? Plus,
Times.
times. You see, if you write it down, you can say 3 times 15. But you go and take 6 times 15 or 6 times 3, either one. Can you see? You must copy everything. Then after that, you copy, get 45. Then you write down again, copy again, 12 plus 45 minus 6. You copy all the rest. Then from now is plus and minus. Do from left to right. 12 plus 45, 57. 57 minus 6 equals to 51. Do you get it, Naomi? Get it now? So you have to do it this way. I know some of you say that was long, it's a long way. I want to do fast. I got no time for this. But you are going to make mistakes. Wasted. Huh? So I hope you will do the copying method. Okay, we try to do this now. We will ask Sheikh Haikal, not Sheikh Haikal, wrong person. Sheikh Haikal now to solve this thing. Sheikh Haikal, you tell me now, Sheikh Haikal, which one do we do first? Plus, times, minus, divide. Which one? Times. Because there's times, there's divide. So times and divide. But which one? They say do the left one first. So we do the times. So Shakil, what's the answer? 2 times 3?
6.
6. Now what do? You must copy 1 plus, then put minus 4 divide by 2. Then Shakil, which one do we do next?
1 plus 6 minus 4 divided by 2, so 1 plus 6.
Hey, they say that here brackets first, then do times or divide. Which one? Just divide.
4 divided by 2.
So what's the answer? 4 divided by 2?
2.
2. Now copy again. Equals to 1 plus 6 minus 2. Now we do left to right. 1 plus 6, how much? Akil.
7.
7 minus 2.
5.
That is your answer. But you may say, but it's long lah. I do not want to copy. If you don't copy, see what happened. Naomi didn't copy the steps. Shakil didn't copy the steps. What happened? You will make mistakes. So make sure you copy. Never mind, it's a little bit longer. It's okay. It's safer. Okay. So now it's already 7 o'clock. Okay, we will see you next week again. All right.
Okay.
Okay.
Teacher.
Yes.
The answer is 57, is it?
A is which one? Hold on. Just now, is it?
Yeah.
Let me see. A. This one. This one, is it?
No, the behind you. A.
No, 57, then must minus 6. You must minus 6, remember? 57 minus 6. There's still a 6 on here. You get 57, but you must minus 6. Then you get 51. Okay? Okay, take care of yourself. Righty,
Can I copy the board?
Yeah, sure. All right, you want to copy, you copy, all right? Okay, the rest, if you want to leave, you can leave, no problem, okay? Remember to try your best, okay, in class. Do your best.
51.
51, right? I have not sent you the videos. I'll be sending you a video of all so far the last 2 lessons. You can watch it, okay? Shafia, how is it, Shafia? Okay. Okay, bye-bye. Iman, if you want to leave, you can leave, no problem. We are waiting. If once you are ready, you can end. Assalamualaikum. Bye-bye. Bye. Naomi, you are done already?
Yes.
Okay, be happy and see you next.
Few questions.